Tell me if this sounds familiar. You're in a conversation. Someone asks you a simple question in English, and instead of answering immediately, your brain freezes. You hear the words, but your mind is busy, translating. Word by word. By the time you find the answer, the moment has passed, and you feel stuck again. Hi, I'm Sarah from Listen and Learn English Easy, and if you're tired of being a translator in your own head, this video will change everything. Today, I'm not just giving you tips, I'm giving you a 5-minute daily system that rewires your brain to think directly in English. No more translation, no more hesitation, just natural, flowing thoughts. Let's dive in. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Thinking in English isn't about being advanced, it's about training. Just like athletes train their muscles, you can train your brain. And the best part? You don't need hours. You need 5 intentional minutes a day. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 specific techniques, and I'll walk you through a complete daily routine you can start tomorrow morning. Plus, stay until the end because I'm sharing the one mistake that kills progress for 90% of learners, and how to avoid it. Section 1. The Translation Trap. First, let's understand why we translate. When you learned English in school, it was probably through your native language. Textbooks, grammar rules, vocabulary lists, everything was filtered through translation. So your brain built a habit, English to native language to understanding. But fluent speakers don't use that highway, they use a direct path. And here's the good news. Neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself, means you can build that direct path at any age. I've seen beginners transform in weeks, not years, using these exact techniques. Section 2. The 5-minute techniques. Technique 1. The narrator method. Technique 1 is something I call the narrator method. Starting tomorrow, for just 2 minutes, become the narrator of your own life. Look around your room and describe everything you see. But here's the key. No complete sentences allowed. Instead of, "This is a blue cup," say, "Blue, ceramic, coffee, steam rising." Short words, immediate. This forces your brain to skip the grammar construction phase and go straight to concepts. Try it with me now. Look at something near you. Just name it. One word. Go. That's it. That's thinking in English. Technique 2. Future self-talk. Technique 2. Future self-talk. Before you do anything, making coffee, opening your laptop, leaving the house, pause for 10 seconds and plan it in English. Not, "I will make coffee," but kettle, water, heat, grind beans, pour, sip. You're not describing to someone else, you're thinking ahead in English. This builds your internal monologue, the voice that fluent speakers use all day, every day. Technique 3. Visual bridges. Technique 3 is my favorite, visual bridges. When you hear the word apple, don't picture the word apple. Picture this, the crunch, the sweetness, the red skin. Connect English directly to sensations, not translations. Make flashcards with no words, just images. Train your brain to see to feel English, no middleman. Technique 4. Shadow walking. Technique 4. Shadow walking. Not just shadowing, shadowing while moving. Studies show that light physical activity boosts memory retention by 20%. Put on your headphones, play this video or any English audio, and walk while you repeat. Match the rhythm, the intonation, the speed. Your body anchors the language. You stop overthinking because you're multitasking. This is how babies learn, through movement and sound together. Technique 5. The switch moment. Technique 5. The switch moment. Pick one trigger in your day, brushing your teeth, washing dishes, waiting for the bus, and make it English-only time. Set a timer for 5 minutes. No exceptions. No native language allowed, even in your head. It feels uncomfortable at first. That's good. Discomfort means your brain is stretching. Do this for 14 days, and you'll crave these moments. You'll start thinking in English without trying. Section 3. The daily routine. Now, let's put it together. Here's your 14-day daily routine. Screenshot this. Morning, 2 minutes. Narrator method while getting ready. Commute/walk, 2 minutes. Shadow walking with audio. Mealtime, 1 minute. Future self-talk before eating. Evening, optional. Visual bridges flashcards before bed. Total active time, 5 minutes. Passive exposure, all day, because now you'll notice English everywhere. Section 4. The number one mistake. Now, the mistake that ruins everything. Perfectionism. Most learners quit because they can't think in English perfectly. They get one word wrong and switch back to their native language. Stop. Fluency isn't about being perfect, it's about being persistent. A toddler doesn't stop talking because they mispronounce spaghetti. They keep going until they're fluent. Be that toddler. Messy, curious, unstoppable. CTA and community building. Here's your challenge. Try the switch moment for the next 7 days. Set your timer, pick your trigger, and then come back here and comment, Day 7 done. I'll personally reply to every single comment. I want to hear your wins, your struggles, your aha moments. And if you want structured shadowing practice with slow, clear audio designed for A1 to A2 learners, check out our free practice playlist linked below. It's like having me walk with you every morning. You don't need more grammar books. You don't need more vocabulary apps. You need consistent, intentional practice that trains your brain to think in English, not translate through it. Start tomorrow. 5 minutes. One technique. And remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner who refused to give up. I'm Sarah. This is Listen and Learn English Easy. Think in English. Speak with confidence. I'll see you in the next video and in the comments below.